is an exercise for people of all ages. It can be easy and inexpensive, and a person can go at their own pace. Swimming helps a person to get or stay in shape, but the benefits also extend to mental health. People who are 19 to 64 years old should get 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week. Younger children should be physically active as well. It is important to incorporate strength training exercises into any routine to keep muscles strong and flexible. As health permits, this should be continued for as long as possible throughout life. A person may choose swimming over another form of exercise for a range of reasons. It gives the body a thorough workout and has many advantages for people of all ages and levels of fitness. So let's see 15 benefits of swimming. 1. A whole body workout. Swimming engages almost every major muscle group, requiring a person to use their arms, legs, torso, and stomach. Swimming also increases the heart rate without putting stress on the body, improves strength, tones muscles, enhances fitness, helps to manage weight. 2. Building cardiovascular strength. Cardiovascular exercise, often referred to as cardio, involves the heart, lungs, and circulatory system. A thorough workout routine, such as one that features swimming, will include this type of exercise. 3. Suitable for all ages and fitness levels. Some types of exercise may be challenging for people who are new or feel very unfit. However, swimming allows a person to go at their own pace, and it can be inviting for newcomers. A person can learn to swim at a very young age, and most swimming pools have a designated area for beginners and people who prefer to swim slowly. 4. A great skill to have. The benefits of learning to swim safely and confidently can extend beyond mental and physical fitness. In some cases, it may even be life-saving. 5. Good for people with injuries. Having an injury or conditions, such as arthritis, can make it difficult to do high-impact exercise. Because water gently supports the muscles, swimming is preferred by many who are unable to take part in high-impact, high-resistance exercises. 6. Good for people with disabilities. A physical disability, such as paraplegia, can limit workout options. Because water provides resistance and support, many people find that swimming is an ideal option. Because swimming can boost confidence and improve social skills, it may benefit people with mental disabilities. 7. Helping with asthma. In addition to building cardiovascular strength, swimming can increase lung capacity and improve control over breathing. While the humid air of indoor pools may also help to improve asthma symptoms, some studies indicate that disinfectant chemicals used in pools can make symptoms worse. They may also increase the likelihood of a swimmer developing the condition. 8. Improving symptoms of multiple sclerosis. Water keeps limbs buoyant, so people with MS may benefit from the support and gentle resistance that water provides. One study noted a significant reduction in pain when people with MS took part in a 20-week swimming program. 9. Safe during pregnancy. Swimming is a recommended form of exercise for pregnant people. Added weight can cause joint and muscle pain during pregnancy. Swimming is especially popular with pregnant people because the water can support this weight. This helps to feel more comfortable while staying fit. It is always a good idea to consult a doctor when undertaking a new form of activity during pregnancy. 10. Burning calories. Swimming is an excellent way to burn calories. The amount burned depends on a person's weight and how vigorously they swim. 11. Variety and fun. People tend to get bored with repetitive exercise, but there are many ways to keep swimming interesting. There are several strokes to master and flotation aids to try. Also, classes in water aerobics and polo, as well as racing and diving, can help to add variety. 12. Helping to improve sleep. Older adults with insomnia improved sleep in those who exercised regularly. Around half of the older adult population facing difficulty sleeping. If accessible, swimming may benefit those who seek better sleep. 13. Boosting moods. Exercise releases endorphins, which improve the mood. Swimming may also boost confidence and social skills, which can impact a person's self-esteem. 14. Managing stress. Exercise is a great way to relieve stress and anxiety. It can also redirect the mind away from troubling thoughts. 20 minutes of physical activity a week may help a person to feel more relaxed. 15. Accessible and affordable. Many towns and cities offer public pools with discounted rates. Some offer free access at certain times or free swimming lessons. Swimming in a lake or ocean may be an attractive option. Always take safety precautions, such as ensuring supervision when swimming in open waters. Hope you enjoy our video. Like and subscribe our channel to get more video like this.